In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a brand new targeting strategy for sponsored brand videos. So I'm pretty excited about this. It just came out recently. It might be in beta. You might not see it in your account yet, but that's pretty normal for Amazon to occur. And then at the end, I'm going to show you how to find some of the things like which ASINs to target inside your sponsored brand videos. If this is your first time watching the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great videos just like this one around Amazon advertising. All right, here we are inside Campaign Manager. I've already hit Create New Campaign, and I'm going to come here to Sponsored Brands. So we're going to hit Continue, and I'm just going to name this SB underscore with my ASIN, and then we're going to do Product Targeting Video. So you're probably wondering, Product Targeting Video, I've never seen that before. That's because it's pretty new. So then I'm going to put it into one of my portfolios. So let me find the portfolio. There we go. Starting today, let's just do a $100 a day budget. You can start that wherever you want. We're going to do a video. We're going to do our eyelid wipes. We're going to scroll down here. We're going to choose that video. So let's upload it real quick. While that's uploading, I'll scroll down here. So this is the new part right here. Targeting, product targeting right here. So you can see new right there. Choose specific products, categories, brands, and other products features to target your ads. So I'm going to select that. We're going to start out about $1.25 bid. You can go as aggressive as you want or as not as aggressive. You can do categories, but I don't like to do that. I like to do individual products. It's going to suggest quite a few, and I recommend picking some of these. But what I like to use is my search term report, and I'll link up to a video that teaches you how to mine and really focus on the 80-20 of your search term report, and that will be linked to at the end of this video. But I've got mine all organized, and you can see we've got all these ASINs that we're already doing really well on with sponsored product ads. Now we're just going to bring product targeting video ads to it. So we're going to take all of those and we're going to enter a list, and we're going to target those. And then let's look at the suggested ones because it never hurts. So that one was in our list. These are just other eyelid wipes in our space. So we have more reviews than most of them. We're a little higher cost, but that's okay. We're not really a facial cleansing wipe, so I'm not going to target that. We're more targeting eyelid wipes. And so I'm just going to target a couple of those. And that's it. Sponsored brand product targeting video ads. I'm pretty pumped about this. You should be too. Then you can submit for a review, and then you're done. If you have any questions on this, make sure you put it down in the comments below, and I'd be happy to answer them. And again, if you haven't, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and then hit the little bell to be notified whenever we come out with great videos just like this one.